If you not start in this niche in 2024, you're dumb. This is a niche with low competition, high CPM, and the best part is, you don't even need extensive editing skills for the videos, and you can easily create them with AI. It falls under the education category, resulting in a CPM of $9.98 per 1,000 views, making it one of the highest paid niches on YouTube. This Faceless YouTube channel achieved 60,000 views with its first video posted just a month ago in this niche, and its second video reached 293,000 views. With just 6 videos, it has generated almost 500,000 views and gained 7,000 subscribers. However, the question that remained for me was, can such a channel be monetized? And how can I easily create such videos without much effort? The answer is yes. This YouTube channel is monetized, and according to Social Blade, it makes $1,700 per month. But there are others like The Paint Explainer, which, with only 13 videos, has garnered 283,000 subscribers, 14,085,536 views, and already earns over $10,000 a month with these videos. Watch and learn, my hungry brothers. First, we go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt that I have provided for you in my description. Within a few seconds, you'll have over 20 ideas that you can use. Choose the idea that you like the most. For example, I chose 12 habits. Here, you need to insert your topic. You can then add your own creativity, such as provide me with 12 habits people have, start with the bad habits, then the good ones, make it 5,000 characters long. Now take the generated text and paste it, as always, into 11 Labs, and your voiceover is ready. Next, edit it in CapCut. Yes, it's free. Now add your voiceover and a white background. Click on Text, then Auto Caption, and position your auto caption in the center at the bottom. Now use the stock images and videos that are included for free with CapCut to generate your video, placing them appropriately with the voice. Since the competition is still not high, you don't need major edits or transitions. When you upload your video, use a title like "Your Topic Explained in 5 Minutes" to pique your viewers' curiosity.